2a. With reference to the Sermon on the Plain, state 5 teaching of Jesus on how human beings should relate to one another. Human beings should love their enemies. They should do good to those who hate them. They should bless those who curse them. They should pray for those who mistreat them. They should help those who mistreat them. They should lend without expecting anything in return. They should show mercy to others. They should not judge, condemn others. Human beings should forgive one another, not revenge. They should be generous. They should do unto others what they expect them unto them. To be describe the incidents in which Jesus calmed the storm in Luke chapter 8, verse 22 to 25.
B is not there. So, the incident in which Jesus calmed the storm. Jesus got into a boat with his disciples. He told them that they would go to the other side of the lake, so they set out. As they sailed, Jesus fell asleep. A storm of wind came down on the lake. The boat was filled with water. That is, they were in danger. The disciples went and woke Jesus, saying, "Master, we are perishing." Jesus got up and rebuked the wind, or you can say the raging waters. The storm subsided, or you can say the storm ceased. Jesus asked the disciples where their faith was. The disciples were afraid. Or you can say the disciples were marveled. The disciples wondered who Jesus was, that even the wind and water could obey him. Question 2C, Francis.
Identify 5 virtues that Christians learned from the miracle of the feeding of 5,000. Service, obedience, faith or trust, humility, cooperation, thankfulness, responsibility, kindness, generosity, sharing, constance, compassion, mercy, and respect.